Let's learn English, phrasal verbs, idioms, slangs and connected speech.
Listen.
Phrasal verb, idle away.
Passar o tempo sem fazer nada útil. Gastar o tempo de maneira preguiçosa ou ociosa. Deixar o tempo passar relaxando, sem objetivo específico.
She idled away the afternoon watching birds from her quiet balcony. They idled away several hours chatting inside the cozy neighborhood cafe together. We idled away Sunday morning reading magazines beside the peaceful lake quietly. He idled away the entire weekend playing old video games happily indoors. Students idled away lunch break laughing under the shady school tree together. They idled away vacation afternoons drinking lemonade near the beautiful quiet beach. Grandparents idled away warm evenings sharing stories beside the glowing fireplace peacefully. Friends idled away rainy afternoons solving simple puzzles and smiling together comfortably. Children idled away summer mornings collecting colorful shells along sandy beaches happily.
Let's learn idioms.
Our neighbors once jumped the gun buying tickets before prices dropped. She finally spilled the beans during yesterday's family dinner, without hesitation. He hit the nail on the head explaining everything perfectly today. They are under the weather after hiking through heavy rain yesterday. My brother broke the ice with funny jokes before everyone relaxed. We burned the midnight oil preparing important documents before the deadline arrived. Her explanation cost an arm and a leg for everyone involved. The manager let the cat out accidentally before official announcement yesterday. Please keep an eye on my backpack during lunch break today. That movie blew my mind with unforgettable scenes and emotional performances. She went the extra mile helping strangers after terrible flooding yesterday. His apology cleared the air before everyone enjoyed dinner peacefully together. Let's learn American slangs. That concert was lit and everyone danced until sunrise together happily. Your new jacket looks dope with those stylish black sneakers today. Stop being salty after losing one friendly basketball game yesterday, please. My cousin is totally chill during stressful situations at work every day. That smartphone is sick with amazing camera quality and battery performance always. She ghosted everyone after changing jobs without saying anything beforehand completely. He's flexing his expensive watch during every single meeting lately again. Don't be shady when discussing important financial decisions with trusted friends. This pizza totally slaps after long exhausting workdays with hungry coworkers together. Relax, dude, everything will work out much better than expected soon. That vacation was epic because every moment became unforgettable with friends together. She nailed the presentation, leaving everyone impressed beyond all expectations completely today. Let's learn connected speech. I gotta finish everything before our important meeting starts this afternoon soon. We have to leave early because traffic becomes terrible during holidays every year. They're gonna announce exciting news after the conference ends this evening officially. I want to learn English faster through daily conversations with native speakers online. Kuja, help me carry these heavy boxes into the storage room, please. Did ya remember locking every door before traveling across the country yesterday safely? Let me explain everything before anyone misunderstands the entire complicated situation again completely. Gimme another opportunity because everybody deserves honest second chances, sometimes too, please. What ya planning for next weekend with your closest childhood friends together now? Out of nowhere, everyone started laughing during the serious business presentation yesterday together. Shoulda listened carefully before making that important decision without enough information available.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.